Most brands posting on Instagram are doing it wrong, and it's not because they're lazy, it's because building a real social media strategy from scratch is genuinely hard. You need to understand your customers' pain points, translate them into weekly themes, write captions that actually match the platform, think through the visual for every post, figure out the right time to publish, and do it all again next week. Today I'm going to show you how TurboAgents builds an entire 7-day Instagram calendar for a real brand in under 2 minutes with the visuals already generated. Take Zeno Health, an online pharmacy focused on chronic care patients across India. Their audience is adults managing diabetes, hypertension, or thyroid conditions, and caregivers looking after elderly parents. These people have real, emotionally charged problems. They're overpaying at retail pharmacies every month, they're anxious about running out of life-saving medicines, and they're confused about managing multiple conditions without proper guidance. Turning all of that into a cohesive, week-long Instagram strategy that actually converts takes expertise. A good social media manager in a metro city costs $600 to $950 a month. An agency is double that. TurboAgents does it in the time it takes to make a cup of tea. Here's how it works. You open the social plan tool inside TurboAgents. You can either upload a ready reckoner file to autofill all your brand details or go with manual entry. We're going manual so you can see every field. Brand name, Zeno Health. Category, online pharmacy and chronic care management. Region, India, Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. Platform, Instagram feed. Then you upload your brand assets, a product image and your logo, directly into the Brand Assets panel, and TurboAgents embeds them into every generated visual automatically. Both slots confirm product loaded and logo loaded. Key features: doorstep medicine delivery in 2 hours, dedicated health coach for chronic patients, up to 50% savings versus retail pharmacy, auto refill subscription, and teleconsultation with licensed doctors. Target audience, adults 35 to 60, managing diabetes, hypertension, or thyroid conditions, plus caregivers of elderly parents. Campaign goals, drive auto refill subscriptions and increase teleconsultation bookings. Hit generate 7-day strategy, and TurboAgents takes over. The first thing that appears is the Proprietary Growth Map, the strategic foundation for the entire week. 3 pain points, each mapped to a product feature. High monthly medication costs, answered by 50% savings. The anxiety of forgetting to reorder life-saving medicines, solved by auto-refill, and confusion over managing multiple conditions without professional guidance, addressed by the health coach and teleconsultation service. From those, TurboAgents builds 3 content pillars: smart savings and access, chronic care concierge, and the caregiver's peace of mind. Every post in the week flows from one of these 3 pillars. Nothing is random. The week opens on Monday with a static post scored at 88%, timed for 10:30 a.m. The visual is a split screen, a pharmacy bill and loose change on one side, a Zeno Health delivery box with 50% off highlighted on the other. The headline asks, "Why pay 100% when your health deserves a 50% discount?" The caption drives straight to action. Switch to Zeno Health, get your monthly meds at half the price, order now. Tuesday steps into the chronic care concierge pillar with a 5-slide carousel at 6 p.m., scoring 82%. This one introduces the health coach, a minimalist visual of a friendly coach character alongside a Zeno Health box, with a bold call to action on the final slide. Book your first session now. The caption invites the audience to meet their new health partner and book a teleconsultation. Wednesday delivers the week's most visceral image: a delivery rider in motion blur, a digital clock on his wrist locked at exactly 2 o'clock, a Zeno Health package in hand. From click to doorstep within 2 hours. Static post, 12:30 p.m., 91% score. The caption is sharp: running low on meds? Don't panic, delivery in 2 hours. Your health can't wait, and neither do we. Thursday pivots to the caregiver with a carousel at 8:30 p.m., scoring 85%. A hand holds a smartphone showing the Zeno app. Orders, prescriptions, delivery all laid out, while an elderly woman rests peacefully in the background, a Zeno Health box beside her. Headline, "Manage it for your parents." The caption speaks directly to every adult managing a parent's health from another city. Set it and forget it, auto refill handles it before you run out. And Sunday closes the week at 7 p.m. with the most human post of all, a static post at 89%. A warm, candid photograph of a middle-aged Indian woman in a sari, smiling, holding a Zeno Health box and her prescription bottle. The testimonial is overlaid right on the image. Zeno saved me $36 every month on my thyroid meds. The caption is 3 words to start: real people, real savings, and then an invitation to join thousands of Indians who have already made the switch. Once the calendar is generated, you're not locked in. Click any post and the refined post panel opens, the visual headline, best post time, and caption all editable in one place. On the right, the performance dashboard shows the virality score, the strategic rationale behind the timing, and a live hashtag reach breakdown. For the Sunday testimonial, Thyroid Care and India Health are rated high reach and audience readiness reads optimized. You can also open the Social Studio editor directly on the visual, switching between the headline, image, and logo layers and adjusting font, color, size, and position with simple sliders. Everything you'd normally brief a designer on, done in one panel. Let's be direct about what just happened. In under 2 minutes, TurboAgents produced a fully reasoned 7-day Instagram strategy. 3 pain points, 3 content pillars, 7 posts across static and carousel formats, platform-optimized captions, performance scores ranging from 78 to 94%, hashtag reach analysis, best posting times, and generated visuals with your brand assets embedded in every single one. A social media manager handling all of this costs a minimum of $600 a month. TurboAgents is already in your subscription alongside ad copy, scriptwriter, brand kit, photo shoot, and 8 other tools. One platform, every content need covered. If you're a founder or marketer who wants a professional content calendar without the agency price tag, head to www.turboagents.ai, open social plan, and run your first 7-day strategy today. The link is in the description below, and if this saved you time, hit subscribe. We publish a new TurboAgents tool walkthrough every week.